Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare the U chart in the Minitab software, and for that we are going to use this question as an example, and we already solved this question in one of the previous video. You can see that video also. So the question is like that: the number of non-conformities in carpets is determined for 20 samples, but the amount of carpet inspected for each sample varies. Here the sample varies. Result of inspection are shown in this table. To construct a control chart for the number of non-conformities per 100 meter square. So here total 20 samples are given, and inspected amount in meter square is also given for each samples, you can see, and the number of non-conformities for each samples is also given. So from this given data we simply prepare one Excel table. Here you can see, here the total 20 samples are given in the question, and the inspected amount in meter square is also given, and number of non-conformities is also given. So now we assume as a 100 meter square as a single unit. So the sample size for inspected amount is like that: 200. You can see here 200 divided by 100, so you get 2. Then 300 divided by 100, you get 3. So what we do here is simply divide this column by 100, so you get the sample size. And here you can see the sample size is varies. Now to prepare the U chart in the Minitab software, you only need these two data. That is, first is the sample size, here this column for the 20 samples, and the number of non-conformities, here it is given. So now we will see, now we will go to the Minitab software. So in this Minitab software, here I use the Minitab 19, and we simply copy paste these two tables from here to here. Copy that and paste it here, and you can see that here the total 20 samples sample size is given, and the number of non-conformities for the 20 samples are also given. Now to prepare the U chart, we will go to the stat. In stat you can go to the control chart and go to the control chart for attribute. Here you can see attribute charts, and you select the U. Here in variable we will simply add this column, that is the number of non-conformities. Double click here, and the subgroup size, here the sample size is varies, so we select the all the complete column, that is sample size column, this, and simply click OK. So it will take some time. So this is the output, and you can change the view here. This is the only data only view, and this is the data plus output view, and we are going to select the output only. So here you can see that the U chart for number of non-conformities, and you can increase the size. Okay, so this is the lower control limit like this, and this is the upper control limit, and here this is the center line or the U bar. So you get the lower control limit is equal to 0.09, upper control limit we get is equal to 9.27, and the center line is equal to, that is U bar, is equal to 4.68. and we already solved this question, so you can see here that the center line you get is equal to 4.683, and in Minitab also you get 4.68. all are both are equal, and as we already calculated the upper control limit we get is this much, that is 9.273 upper control limit, and lower control limit is 0.092. so the same value we get here in Minitab. So up to 0.2 digit, the upper control limit is 9.27, same here, and the lower control limit is 0.09, same like here. And here also we can see that the for the sample number size, the point is above the upper control limit, so the process is not in control. And here you can see in Minitab result also, the test result for U chart of number of non-conformities, and the test failed at 0.7 because the point number 7 or the sample number 7 is above the upper control limit. So in this way you can prepare the U chart for the number of non-conformities in the Minitab software, and this is the very easy method you can see.